First, to get our terminology out of the way, the difference between upgrade and migration. First of all, according to Oracle, an upgrade deals with modifying the structure of your existing database files. So you're performing some surgery on the data dictionary of the source database. Now that's probably not quite as scary as long as you're doing rigorous backups and you have multiple copies of your backups and you've already tested the backups to make sure that they work and so on. There's nothing worse than thinking you're backing up and really you're not. The advantage to this approach, specifically doing a direct upgrade, where you install a new instance of Oracle on the box, you overwrite the existing database with 12C bits and upgrade the data dictionary to 12C, and then you can run Oracle Universal Installer to uninstall the previous instance. That has the advantage of speed. It also has the advantage of seamlessness. You're not having to juggle different instances. Well, you're doing different instances, but you're not necessarily doing separate computers and having to migrate among different entire environments. The downside to this, though, is that you are doing surgery on your production database, and if something goes wrong, the onus is on you to roll back as cleanly as you can and minimize the amount of system downtime. Remember that the reason why this is so scary is that many businesses have all of their most crucial information stored in Oracle database. It could be all of your customer contact information, your sales information, your internal inventory. Now another way to go is to do an indirect upgrade, and basically you're going to do this if you're running a source version of Oracle that doesn't support the direct upgrade method. All right, so that's upgrade, where you actually upgrade or change, modify the data dictionary of the source database to be compatible with the current version. Migration is where you pluck data from your source database and you copy or move it into a separate installation of Oracle database, a 12C database. This has the advantage of, number one, you're not perturbing the production of your source database. It stays online. You can keep it going as long as you want to. Downside is that it's going to be much more administration. You can use tools to do the data exports and imports, but you may wind up with a synchronization problem. You do your export and import of your user table spaces, and then by the time you're having your users cut over to the 12C instance and database, what about transactions that have been added in the meantime in the old database? You see, so there's a lot to think about no matter how you're approaching this.